I made it in there. Shovelhead 8, welcome to Yard Sale Saturday. Lucked out, there was 3 today. So, anyways, went to one twice. I'll probably go back a third time, looking for more treasures. So anyways, we're going to get some stuff out of the way to start with. So, we got a couple blankets. This is just a modern cotton synthetic blend. It's not a Hudson's Bay black blanket for sure, but not bad. They were that was $5. Now this is pure wool, probably a single, but and the ribbon's shot on it, but you know, it'll do too. It's a wool blanket, and you don't have to worry about maybe a dog will sleep on it or something. Come on, get up here on the couch. Come on, why don't you just get up on the couch? Come on, get up here. Okay, move over. We're not outside because it's raining. So what's next? Well, we picked up a pair of boots for $10. I'm not even sure the size, but these are Sorel Snowcats made in Canada by Kaufman. They're super warm and they were $10, and I can always find somebody that will fit them. And let's see which place will we go next. Oh, same place. So we got some of these dream catcher things so she can yell at me. $5 and $3 and good enough for me. And what else is there? A vintage percolator that we used to take camping. All complete. Glass tops and everything. So a keeper. Just set that over there for safekeeping. Some long matches. Could have used them to run the lamps the other day. But we got a couple deluxe candle snuffers. So I'm going high class when I go camping. If there's anything you see that you want a closer look at, just let me know. Here's some sort of a weird serrated knife. It says made in Japan. Whatever it's for. But it was $2. Gotta be good for something. These are purification candles. Whatever purification candles are. They smell. So and we got a water bottle that I'll just clean up. She'll use it for spare. Put that over here. And we got a couple books. Where the Crawdads Sing. North Carolina. Anyways, it's a fiction book. It was only $1 or $2. So I have another book somewhere. Okay, let's put this bag away. and switch gears a little bit to a different sail. Didn't buy much, some little Tupperware things, which I needed. And a pan with a rack, what stainless steel pan with a rack. What it's going to do with that, don't know, but we'll add it to the cooking collection. And here we go for the rest of our goodies. This is a book for when there was a railroad that ran into Algonquin Park, which is over there, not that far. And it goes for 100 miles. And this is a collector book. It's expensive enough. I've looked at buying it before, and now I got one. Hush up, you noisy bird. And a box full of stuff. Sanding blocks, duct tape. Oh, Mommy's going to have fun tonight. Paintbrush, rubber gloves, sandpaper, rat traps. Anyways, that was $2. The brushes alone are worth more than that. That one for sure. So, and what else? Well, we got, my brother dropped by and he gave me this grill because he finds it too heavy. And I got one of them that was thrown in with. This box, which I bought mainly for there's a bunch of stuff in here, some of it, but I don't even know what it is. A bunch of little chisels, pliers, screwdrivers, punches, nail sets, envelope or something. Little bubble level, it still works. And we'll get into this stuff. Oh, a rag. Couple rags, alright. I wish I had my glasses. Well, I guess we'll figure this out later. Whatever it is. Her vintage snips, files, file cards. But there you go, Nikki, like used files. One of these boxes you buy, you don't even know. An adjustable auger bit, so that's worth enough money. Fine, and I've got a lot of those augers. A little bunch of Allen keys, auger bits, chisels, screwdrivers, more files. Oh, it's a scraper. Chainsaw file, some sort. Not bad looking, whatever it is. Come on, get back there. Anyways, I heard the camera kick itself off because it's 9 minutes. So, anyways, we're going to wrap this up because we're almost done. Anyways, we got a flare gun, You can still buy flares for these, so if I ever need it. If I ever get a boat. A nice little Shakespeare collapsible fishing rod. Needs line with 90% of the other stuff I got. But, you know, it folds up pretty small. It can fit in the backpack pretty good. And, like I say, this stuff was all $1 a piece. I ended up giving me $10. I'm a bad person like this. Anyways, the last piece. This is why I was happy to give them $10. A Coleman, vintage Coleman propane stove. And so old that it's got the rubber adapter. And the bigger burners, like when you Coleman guys will probably tell me when it was made. For $1, I'm happy. I'll try that out. I've got to fix the hinge here. But, that's not a deal breaker. So anyways, that's pretty well it for today's buy. So I did not spend very much money. We'll be going back to the one sale just in case they dig out some more stuff. And Timmy thanks you, and Harper thanks you, and Jonah thanks you, and we'll see you next week if there's another sale. If not, we'll see you on Cast Iron Wednesday or Fired Up Friday.